Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide cash on delivery when a gift card is applied. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. So for that, we're using Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attached the app link in the description and in the first comment. After installing the app, you can go to role section, right? And you can create a new checkout role and you can give a title, hide COD when gift card orders applied, right? And you can add the condition. From the condition, you can select gift card is applied. Then our action is hiding the payment method. So we can hide the payment method. You can select cash on delivery and you can mark it save, active and save. This is the first thing we need to do. And next thing is we can go to payment rule section. You can create a new payment rule. You can give a title hide COD and make it active and you can save it. That's it, right? This is for app work properly. These are the two steps. And the third one is you might notice this thing show installation guide. So this settings will only work for Shopify Plus merchant. So the third step is you go to settings, checkout and customize. Then you can add a app block. You can see rule executor. You can add this rule executor and you can remove this one. We are not blocking the checkout, right? So you can save the changes. And that's it. Now you're activated how to hide cash on delivery when a gift card is applied. Now we can test how it's working. So I already copied a discount code. So I'm adding something, just reloading the website once and going to checkout. You can see cash on delivery is available. I'm adding the gift card. This is the gift card I made. And if you add the gift card, you can see cash on delivery is here. And if you remove the gift card, you can see cash on delivery is still there, right? So this is how you can hide cash on delivery when a gift card is applied using Checkout Ninja app. If you find this video helpful, please do share, subscribe to our channel. And I have also attached the app link in the description of this video and in the first comment. Thank you. Happy selling.